Hello and Namaste. I am Tanmay Bakshi and you're watching Bold Raipur. So, in the meantime of the COVID 19 crisis and current lockdown situation, I have a very informative news for you, which you all should know. So, for knowing the full story, stay tuned with us until the last. In the state of Chhattisgarh, multiple complaints have been lodged against Susanna Arundhati Roy, famously known as Arundhati Roy. She is eminent and profound author, novelist, screenplay writer, as well as the winner of Booker Prize. She is also a controversial face of Indian intellectual community, but recently she is being discussed on social media for again giving a controversial interview to foreign media house. In regard of her controversial interview, 15 complaints have been lodged against her by Chhattisgarh civil society members. According to their complaints, it has been argued that Arundhati Roy, while giving interview to the foreign media named as DW News, has made derogatory and shameful comments towards the country and also made unaccountable statements in regard of the government of India. She said the figures provided by government cannot be trusted in regard of COVID-19 cases, and she also said the government are continuously hiding the numbers. She also said that Indian government is using COVID-19 crisis as the suppression of Muslim community, and she further said that the suppression of Muslims are getting in such a way just as how the suppression of Jews were taking place by the Nazis. This derogatory comments hurt the sentiments of the CG civil society's members. So they have filed multiple complaints against Arundhati Roy. 15 complaints have been so far filed against the Arundhati Roy from the 5 different districts of Chhattisgarh. 5 from Raipur, 5 from Bhilai, 3 from Durg, 1 from Bilaspur and 1 from Bemitra district. For knowing further details of these alleged complaints made by the members of Chhattisgarh Civil Society, we directly spoke to Dr. Kuldeep Solanki and made a telephonic interview with him. So here is what we discussed in the telephonic interview with Dr. Kuldeep Solanki.
Hello.
Hello, Dr. Kuldeep.
Ji. Yeah.
I am Tanmay Bakshi from Bold Raipur.
Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, I came to know that your organization, Chhattisgarh Civil Society, has filed multiple complaints against novelist and author Arundhati Roy.
Yeah, that's very true.
Can you please tell us what was the whole incident which made you file complaints against Arundhati Roy?
This Mrs. Arundhati Roy had spoken to a German media, DW, and compared the seat of Prime Minister of India and the government of India to that of Hitler and Nazi government. She had categorically said that as Nazis used typhus fever for causing and killing the Jews, similarly, government of India is using coronavirus epidemic to kill the Muslims in India. So this is beyond justifiable comment by anybody. The government of India and especially the PMO is doing such a wonderful job. We know that India is the largest democracy in the world with a population of more than 130 crores of people, and we have till date only around 25,000 to 26,000 cases, and the mortality is less than 1,000. Vis-a-vis small countries like Italy, which have only 6 crore of population, their death toll is more than 26,000. India is doing remarkably well, and this lady, out of blues, what problem she has, we don't know. But she is speaking something which is very derogatory for Indians like me. I cannot bear that a government which is elected by the people of India, which has majority stake, can be compared with Nazi government. And the Prime Minister can be compared with Hitler. This is not on.
Right. So, I think, Kuldeep sir, the intention of filing this complaint was to make a report and FIR. So, do you think
Yeah.
your complaint will qualify to be reported as FIR?
Yeah. I am very much confident. The process has already started. See, there are 3 steps. One, first we file a complaint. Then there will be a call from the Thana. They will make a written. Then we have to give a written statement, produce the proof of what we have told in the complaint, and then subsequently, under various sections of IPC, Indian Penal Code, FIR is filed, and that is put up in court. So we are very confident that in all 15 thanas, FIR will be filed. At few places, the procedure has already started, and with due course of time, we will be able to fight this case
A legal case, right?
in Chhattisgarh.
Okay. So that means the professional will also not tolerate anti-national activities, right?
Definitely no. We will not tolerate anything which is against our great nation, that is India, and we will fight to the end anyone who has an intention to malign the image of the country.
Okay. Thank you very much, Kuldeep sir. And
Thank you.
thank you for
Pleasure
being
talking to
with
you.
us. And you are most welcomed in Bold Raipur now.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Thank you.
This is what Dr. Kuldeep Solanki told us. No professionals are going to tolerate anti-national elements and activities in the country. And if such happens, these professionals are going to take legal actions against those elements. Now the time will tell if these alleged complaints get reported as FIR or not. Till then, goodbye. More Raipur, Bold Raipur.